Welcome back, everybody. It's your cringy boy, Landon. This video's probably going to be cringy, but there's your boy, Willie, over there sitting. If you can see him. Probably not. So, yeah, we're in a field of dirt and grass and sticks and bricks and pebbles and other types of stuff that would be underground. This used to be a school, surprisingly. Cringy boy walking by, holding a asphalt.
Hi, I'm Willie.
No, he's cringy boy. If you didn't see my last two videos, please go check them out. If this is cringy, just let me know. I posted a video yesterday. If you could possibly, please, do not do that when it is out of the case. See, this is out of case. Okay, everybody, that is out of case. So, you idiot, I'm filming right now. He just threw that on the roof. I don't understand people. But, you know, we're back in the field. If you didn't check out the last two videos, please go check those out. Not these, those out. Excuse my language. Try not to get demonetized. So yeah, if you could possibly just hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell, leave a like, and he just got scared by a little puny dog. 2 dogs. My correction. So, if you guys want to see more, subscribe, hit the like, comment, turn on the bell. Oh my gosh, shut up. I'm trying to film. Thank you. Yeah. If you see anything out of ordinary, let me know. Yeah, what he said. That's what she said. If you don't know, oh, I'm sorry if my face is very close to it. Hi. I'm just watching this cringy boy do stuff. Cringy boy.
Hi. I'm Willie. I have a stick.
Yeah, he's got a stick. Oh, he has a stick. On camera, I know that's not huge, but that almost just hit me.
Think about it, people on camera.
Yeah, think about it.
5'4" right now.
And he's holding about a 6-foot tall stick that he almost just hit me with. I don't know if that would get me demonetized or anything. YouTube probably doesn't even look at my videos. If possibly, hit the like bell. Not the like bell. Hit the like button, subscribe. I know this is my 6th time saying it. For you nerds, counting how many times I say stuff like that, go ahead and comment, because I like nerds.
Let me say something to the camera. Listen, kid right here. He's a good kid. He deserves to, I don't know. But just subscribe. He deserves to be more popular. He doesn't really have that many friends at school, other than me and some other people.
He's just him. Don't get him wrong. It's just him.
Okay. Subscribe. It would be nice if my friend could get popular on YouTube. So yeah, that's it. That was very bad, but
For you cringy people that like to cringe at videos, this is your type of video right here.
yeah,
I like to tag some people in my videos. Dope or Nope, go check out their YouTube video. When this boy gets a YouTube channel, I'll, tag him in it. But go check out Dope or Nope. It's awesome. They do fun things for people, stuff like that.
Oh, I'm gonna plug a YouTube channel real quick. My grandma has a YouTube channel called Babs Walker, BABS space WALKER. Go check it out. She has a few videos.
Of us cringy people. No, mostly of this cringy boy. And then me, cringy boy.
Basically just old videos of me. one video of me and him reacting to an old video of me. Yeah.
So it's basically a YouTube video inside of a YouTube video. Pretty interesting. But before you go look at our channel, please watch my video so I can get views. Because that's what I'm mostly at. And my subscriber goal is 100 subscribers.
Nice.
So I can get a plaque and do an unboxing video. If you guys would like to see that, please just do it. Just please. Please just subscribe if you want to see an unboxing video. And if you see this video and you subscribe, tell your friends and family to subscribe.
Even tell your dog, your grandma, I don't know.
If your dog has a YouTube account. So we might do a little bit of writing today. I can't clip videos, but you're just going to have to deal with switching back and forth out of the case. Not to be rude or anything, but I'm not a professional here. I only did 2 videos and they were the same video. Not technically the same video, but they were different videos. One was, you can hear my voice more clear. The other one was like, nah. And the wind is starting to pick up, and if you hear wind in the video, I am very, truly sorry. And you can't even really hear my voice in the GoPro, in like the case here. So, honestly, just deal with it. I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but just deal with it. I'm not a master YouTuber here. So oh yeah, I did that. That was to the school that was here, and that was there was a basement in the school. So that's probably one of the walls, because the school was like 3 or 4 feet away from that wall. I meant the fence here, not the wall, the fence. So yeah, a little interesting fact. And we also want it to be a pool, because honestly, it's pretty hot out here, and it would be awesome.
This is already like a 10-minute video of you just talking to your audience.
Okay, let's get writing, people. I'm going to put you in the case. Sorry for like if it's really, chattery.
Dick.
And I had to put it on my helmet too, but we'll get to writing. So, let's go. Ooga booga. I think I just got what it was. I'm taking off my helmet so I can see guys in here. Check my phone here. It's probably just me or not. Not a good thing when you're writing. Definitely not a good thing when you're writing. And I'll try not to show people in my video except for Willie. But if we just see a person on the sidewalk, that's their problem. That's their problem. We're not trying to, get sued or anything. But, if you're a jogger, I might run past you very quickly. But yeah, we'll just try to go find that angry lady that I got yelled at, but I didn't film it. No, I didn't film it. But yeah, we'll probably go ride past or by that angry lady's house, because she said that I was teasing her dog. So I was just riding my bike and just pretty much doing that up onto the sidewalk. But that was just sad. Yeah, so hopefully we can get her out and I can confront her. I've got 5 hours left on this thing. We'll try to go make it count.